All right. Hey, everybody. This is Mark Happis, Senior Product Manager at AVer. We're here at InfoComm 2026. We are launching our Microsoft Teams room on Windows. We call this product the CORE500. This product is a Windows 11 IoT-based solution based upon the Ultra-Core 5 processor. So this is the next generation of Intel processor that is focused on video collaboration. It is the best cost to performance for Microsoft Teams room, balancing the future of AI-based conferencing with the signal processing. It features additionally an 11.6-inch touch panel with a single Cat5 cable that allow a connection between the controller and the compute, 115 feet, that both powers the console. It provides the UI and it'll also allow you to ingest via single USB so you can share your content from the tabletop. For larger installations, we do have a HDMI on the back of the compute processor here that allows you to switch in deployment time, so you can connect it to an AV switcher for multiple inputs or a combined conference room. Also, alongside of it, we're showcasing our VB370A and our CP10. This is our appliance-based solution, currently running Zoom rooms. If you have any questions, please stop by or visit our booth. We are at averusa.com.